Yeah, g'day everybody, Davo here. Just giving a bit of an update. Getting rid of my Subaru Liberty. I've upgraded now, so I'm going to be selling this. And I'm out with the oldish and in with the newish. So I got a Subaru Levorg now, MY17. I'm just currently doing a dash cam install. So I bought one of these, the Wolfbox G850. Got it off Amazon, about 200 Australian dollars. I also purchased the Wolfbox hardwire kit so we can wire it straight up to the fuse box. That's it kind of in at the moment. That's just temporary, that with it going to the lighter. Like I said, I'm going to hardwire it shortly, but not with this video. This is just a rare dash cam install. I decided I want to put it here next to the reverse camera that comes with the car. So what I did was I bolted it up just next to the reverse camera there, and I drilled a hole. You can't really overly see it very well, but I've drilled a hole into the body and popped it in right there. Seal it up with some sealant. No more leaks. Pretty tidy, I think. I just wanted it outside instead of inside the car, because in my Liberty I had it inside. Well, the old one. And it was the picture was a little bit fuzzy, but this one's a lot better. Right, to get it installed, all I did was I removed all the back panel trim. The trim's not hard to do. You just remove you just remove this side panel here, remove that side panel there. These all pull down and come off. And then if we can see, let's maybe turn a light on here so we can see a bit better. So that's where it comes through, just where the reverse camera is. I just drilled a hole there so it comes through nice and easy. Then I'll hook the wires up when I run them from the head unit. I'm not going to run the head unit wires just yet, as I'm going to do a speaker upgrade, and I'm going to run all the wires to the whole of the car at the same time. It's pretty simple. It's a 4K dash cam, and I quite like it where it is. People can put it in many different places, wherever you want. That's just where I chose. It's nice and simple. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like when I do have it up and running, which will be in my front dash cam install video. But until then, I just got to put all my trim back on, and be good to go. Anyway, thanks guys. See ya.